Hello everyone. In today in lecture, I going to see about what is sinking sourcing. If you seen or if you watch my earlier videos, so I uploaded in the topic on what is industrial automation, what is PLC, components of PLC, etc. So anyway, today in this lecture, I am going to see about what is sinking sourcing. Before I am going to see about what is power supply. So power supply provides processor I/O and communicate module with system energy requirement. Means that when I when we connect the power supply in the PLC, so power supply provide the supply of processor to communicate input output module, means input module and output module. It is a input output, both module is a modular module, and system energy requirement, because PLC requirements some energy system, because PLC depend on power supply. Without power supply means without AC current or without DC current we cannot start and stop the PLC. Typically the voltage of energy supply is the voltage of energy supply is 120 volt to 20 volt, 120 volt, 220 volt AC or 24 volt DC. But in current scenario, generally used DC 24 volt for PLC. Most uh, minor case use AC 220 volt or 120 volt or 220 volt, and the output voltage of back plane is 2 to 5 ampere and 5 volt. 5 volt, 2 to 5 ampere, 5 volt is a battery of the 5 volt is a battery of the PLC for the save the program. Because when I uploaded the program, when I when I when we uploaded program in the PLC, so for the for the saving of for the saving of program in PLC, 5 volt battery inbuilt. So what is sinking sourcing? It is a very important topic. What is the sinking sourcing? So sinking and sourcing is a method of input output wiring. So generally we use in industry for input output wiring two type of wiring. First is a sinking wiring, second is a sourcing wiring. So in case of sinking wiring, where we connected power supply minus, observe here, where we connected power supply minus in common of we call sourcing type input. Means when we are connected power supply in minus input in digital input card PLC, connected power supply minus in digital input card when we connected minus in common and connected plus in input channel. So this type of wiring is sourcing wiring, sorry, sinking wiring. And we call the sourcing input. The wiring is a sinking, but we call the sourcing type of input because input is a source of the field module, just like in field connected label switch, pressure switch, level switch, pressure switch, conductivity switch, air level switch, pressure switch, conductivity switch, air pressure switch, and flow switch. So it is called source type of input. Sourcing type of where whenever we connected plus apply in plus common module PLC, we call sinking type of source input. Means in wiring diagram of S7 1200 PLC. So wiring the S7 1200 PLC, line neutral. S7 1200 PLC, it is a 120 to 240 volt required supply, 120 to 240 volt VAC. VAC means voltage AC voltage. And in input module we connect the switches. In input module here we can see here the graphic. In input module connected 24 volt switches, and output module connected the bulb, means light, line, and neutral is a common from all output, for all output, and line is a connected is a neutral is a common for all output, and line is connected for the from the output. Relay type of output is a relay type. It is a relay type of output. So did you know this model of PLC for inbuilt power supply convert AC to 24 volt DC, AC 120 to 220 volt DC voltage into 24 voltage DC. Means in the PLC inbuilt converter, AC to DC converter. Yeah, you know about AC to DC converter. So in the PLC connect AC to DC converter, which is change AC supply to DC 24 volt supply. So if any query or any question related to this video, so please comment in my comment box on YouTube comment box. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, and hit the like button, and never forget the subscribe of my YouTube channel.